Most people are using AI completely wrong by treating it like a glorified search engine. You're basically just scratching the tip of a massive iceberg if you only use ChatGPT to find a recipe or ask for basic advice. The real power of artificial intelligence is hidden way below the surface, and there are distinct levels to how deep you can actually go. Right below the surface is creation. This is where you stop asking for facts and start making things. You can generate incredible art, write full books, or even compose original music without having a single ounce of natural talent. But if you go one level deeper, you hit the productivity zone. This is where you leverage these tools to organize your entire life. People down here are building massive projects, structuring their businesses, outlining presentations, and getting more done in a day than they used to accomplish in a month. Then it gets crazy. The next level down is coding. You don't need to be a software engineer anymore. You just need to know how to give the right instructions. AI is literally building apps, creating games, and fixing websites from simple text prompts. You can build things that used to cost thousands of dollars and take months to create all by yourself. At the very bottom of the iceberg are autonomous agents. This is the level where AI runs complete processes on its own. It researches, it learns, it executes complex tasks, all in the background while you sleep. The tools we have today will look like absolute child's play in 5 years. So stop treating AI like a search bar and start diving into the deep end. Come on in, the water's fine.